2 websites that will pay you daily just by doing very simple tasks online, depending on what kind of effort you've put in, and that is mostly on the hours and the time that you're available to perform this task. You'll be paid anywhere between 10 USD to 50 or 100 USD, depending on the work you put. It is very essential anytime that you have decided to make money online, either as passive income or active income. You need to be very aware that these will solely depend on the kind of work or the work that you put in, the hours that you put in. It is very essential for anyone who wants to venture on this space of making money online or working from home to be aware of that. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters, relocation abroad, and how to make money online. There are a lot of ways that you can venture on these. There are different platforms, different tasks that you can perform that can enable you to rake anywhere between 10 USD to 100 USD a week, depending on your effort. And it is very important for anyone to know that. Most of the time, you find a lot of people giving their frustrations that most of these tasks are not paying a lot of money. And yes, some of them, if not all, they not be paying you anywhere more than 3 or 4 USD per video, mostly because they are very minute and minor tasks. So that means for you to be able to rake in somewhere between 10 USD to 100 USD, you need at least to put in some good amount of hours. That is anywhere between 3 hours to 5 hours a day. So definitely that could not work for anyone who has a 9-to-5 job, but as someone who wants to work from home, or if you do not have any other income, or if you want to make passive income, meaning that you have another job and you want to make this another source of income, it might help you to put in at least 3 hours. And then with actually 3 hours, you'll make anywhere between 10 USD to 30 USD daily, depending on the time that you put when you want to make money online, whether passively or actively. The first website you're going to look at is MoneyGain. MoneyGain can help you make money online by sharing your internet, and you can start as early as you can or as early as now. As early as you can or as early as now. MoneyGain is in over 150 countries, and actually quite a number of countries are can provide this kind of service, and you can make money through MoneyGain. And the most or the actually top of the countries that you can be able to do this through MoneyGain is mostly Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania. So if you just want to be able to provide your internet and share your internet and be paid to do that, you just log in on the app. And for myself, I am already in. Once you log in, each and everything else is perfect. And then once you log in on your laptop, you can choose to either use your laptop or choose your mobile app and actually download the MoneyGain app, and you'll be able to be given how to go about for you to share internet with other people. Mostly the reason why I'll tell you to use or to do this is if you're working, or rather if you do not use your internet a specific period of the day, you can be sharing your internet with other people. That way at least they actually in a way they can help you to pay for your internet or to pay your internet provider, because most of the time you'll find if you're working a 9-to-5 job, then most of the time during the weekdays you're not at home for like 7-8 hours. So you can actually share your internet and people can pay you, and once they pay you, you can be able to pay the same to your internet provider. The other one we are looking at is Savaroo. Savaroo will pay you, or it is a paid survey website that you earn up to £6 per survey. Join the community and earn money by completing our paid surveys. You do the same, you register. Once you register, you'll get all the surveys that are available. The only thing you need to do is how much would you like to earn each day. Could be 18 euros, 36 euros, 36 or more. If you want to log in, click on what you want to earn, and that will take you on how to actually log in. You register for free every day, respond to surveys and studies, pocket your money and treat yourself. So you click a free registration, then you come and choose how much you'd like to earn per day. Whatever you choose cuts across the board. You could choose the highest, you could choose the medium, and not choose the lower level for reasons that I also cannot explain, but I feel like the middle one is a good way to start. then all countries can actually apply for this one. You can do this from anywhere you are in the world. All you need to do is put your details, put your email address, the country you're from, the date birth, and you're good to go. So thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, be safe, keep safe, and bye.